So I get a text from my tenant that their thermostat is not working. So of course I go over there and confirm that it's actually not working. It's like when someone says they're locked out. First thing you do, you check the door to make sure it's not locked or not unlocked, right? So here what I'm doing, I'm running through some common problems that you run into. A lot of times it's just the batteries. Sometimes the batteries go dead or they just need to be swapped out. So as you can see here, I took the batteries out and it was still working. So that is actually not supposed to be happening. So I figured it was the thermostat. So I'm just going to go ahead and just change the thermostat. So as you can see here, these are actually new batteries that I put in here. And since I'm such a good camera guy, you can tell from the camera angle that I'm showing you that you can't see, but I'm not getting anything. It's not moving. So decided just to switch out the entire thermostat. So this is a video of me, half video, taking out the old thermostat, and here's the new thermostat. I'm putting in a Honeywell thermostat, just showing you what the inside looks like. And I'm going to install it and show you. But what I'm going to show you next here's the wiring. It's old wiring, so just make sure that you take a picture of this so you know which wire goes to what. The W is for the white wire, the R is for the red wire. This is it installed and finished. So hopefully you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.